We're in Ibarra. Ibarra is the capital of Imbabura. Imbabura. We're in Ibarra. Ibarra is the capital of Imbabura province. Imbabura. We're in Ibarra. Ibarra is the capital of Imbabura province. Got that? And we're sitting in the park right now, just kind of enjoying the day. Having a laugh. Somebody is. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year, Sarah.
Happy New Year.
All the saints be forgotten and Jesus comes alive. This is when Jesus was born? Jesus, no, he rose. He was born at Christmas. He died on New Year's Eve. He rose on New Year's Day. And all the saints be forgotten. I didn't know that. I just kind of figured that out right now. It's New Year's Eve. We're gonna walk around today. We're gonna get some food. There's a lot of cool food here. And then tonight we're going to see what New Year's in Ecuador is all about. Trust me, there's some crazy shit. You can't say anymore, can you? Okay, we're getting off topic. So what did I say? It's New Year's Eve. Ecuador has some pretty unique ways to celebrate the new year, and we're going to get into that as well. We're probably going to get more into that than the other stuff, because I don't know what the other stuff is, and I didn't do any research for this video.
de cortesía, ¿no?
So we found a little Mexican bar slash restaurant to take a little break from the street party. Get a couple of beers here and some what do we order? Quesadillas. Okay, here's what's going down. We came out, went to a couple bars, pretty dead actually. We went down to the main square and there was like a kind of a more family festive event going on. Some like street food. We got a slice of pizza and saw some lights and stuff. Here comes quesadilla. What's this? Then we found the main street and we just walked the main street and it was pumping. So one strange thing, the first strange thing they do in Ecuador on New Year's Eve is a lot of guys will dress up like women and stop cars in the street and demand money basically. Like if you want to pass, you gotta pay us money. And they dance really like erotically, I guess. Like they're not just like, hey, I'm a woman. They're like, the one guy, he lifted up his skirt and showed me his ass and he had a thong on. This is when I was on my motorcycle trying to like come back from the laundromat. I was just trying to bring my laundry back.
Your daily life.
Yeah. So it's been a bizarre day. Starting at around 6 o'clock, things got a little crazy. And so far, like we've seen a bunch of guys dressed up like women dancing. I guess they're supposed to represent, and the tradition is they represent the widows of the effigies that are burned. Now the effigies are a huger thing. It's a huge thing that bigger than dressing up like a woman. As early as Christmas Day, people will start building their effigies, which is a lot of times just like a bunch of old clothing stuffed with straw, stuffed with whatever, newspaper, and it's supposed to look like a person. And then on New Year's Eve, they burn it, or they blow it up, or whatever. They put fireworks in it, set it on fire, and it blows up. Some places will sell like recognizable characters as effigies. We saw a stand that had like everything from Marvel comic characters to Minions and stuff like that. I think those are more for kids probably. A lot of the businesses along here will have their own like to kind of represent their business, and it's just like it's clothing stuffed with whatever and like a printed off piece of paper, like a mask. It's just like a photo of someone's face. I don't know who most of these people are, but sometimes they'll include a list of things that, like negative things that happen in the year, and then when they burn it, it's just like saying like, oh, these things I hope they don't happen to me in the next year. New Year's Eve here is not New Year's Eve, it's Old Year's Eve. It's like, because Celebración de Viejo Año Viejo, so celebration of the old year. They're kind of like saying like goodbye to the old year more than saying like hello to the new year, I guess. Also at midnight they'll often eat grapes, 12 grapes, one for each month of the year. And every grape they eat, they make a wish. And the last thing I want to talk about is the underwear. People think that the underwear, the color of the underwear you wear on New Year's Eve will affect how your next year will be. So they have like a thing like if it's red underwear, then you'll be lucky in love next year. If it's yellow, I think is money. You'll be lucky with money next year. So I got on. Let's see, what do we got? I have gray underwear on. How do you know that? You know that offhand? You don't even have to check.
I can check.
But you know already.
Could be black.
You're not wearing underwear.
You're right, I'm not.
Black, gray. I don't know what that means. Other than, no, I think it means we were out of laundry and we just picked it up a couple hours ago. And
You gotta eat their hot sauce, it's really good.
yeah, okay. I'm gonna have some of this quesadilla, and then we're gonna count down the new year. This is coming down to it. Hour left. We gotta get some more beer in us. Bless you. What is that? Is balls? Fireworks everywhere. It's funny, the children. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah, they're gonna burn it.
Lit up over there. I can see
There's fires everywhere. There's fires everywhere.
you're gonna get it. This one is filling up.
What is all this shit? Okay, so there's a fire here, there's a fire there, there's a fire there. 1, 2, 3. That's about 6 fires just in thin eyesight.
Let's have a party. Let's do something.
Jesus. It's a party. It's crazy. The Ecuadorians, they do enjoy an explosion or two. I was like, I want to grow Keanu Reeves type beard. My goal is to get Keanu Reeves level. Talking about my beard. Beard's more important.
What do you think about my beard?
Stinks. Hate it.
Happy New Year. Sometimes I'll include a list of negative things that happen in the year. And when they burn it, it's just like saying, I hope they don't happen to me in the next year.
Burn it. I hope they don't happen to me in the next year.
What would Keanu do?
what you wanted.
What have you done?
I thought this was what you wanted.
Take that off. Oh my god.